So let's come to the second problem. So today we are looking at this problem. We have x multiplied by x multiplied by x on x plus x plus x is equal to 6. Okay, so in this case, we are looking for x. And we know that in this case, x multiplied by x multiplied by x, we can rewrite it as x, okay, exponent 1 multiplied by x exponent 1 multiplied by x exponent 1, okay, on now x plus x plus x, we are having 3x's, okay, which is equal to 6. Now this we can write it as x exponent 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 3, okay, so x exponent 3 on 3 multiplied by x, which is equal to 6. Okay, so in this case, we can multiply both sides by 3. So we are going to get 3 multiplied by x exponent 3 on 3x, which is equal to 6 multiplied by 3. Okay, so with this will take off this, leaving x cubed on x, which is equal to 6 times 3, and having 18. Okay, so now this one, we can say that we have, with this, we have x. We can rewrite this as x exponent 3, okay, divided by x exponent 1, okay, which is equal to 18. Okay, so you can say that this is the same as x exponent 3 minus 1, which is equal to 18. Okay, so now we have x exponent 3 minus 1 is equal to 18. So this to be x squared is equal to 18. Okay, now we can take square root of both sides. So I'm going to get root of x squared is equal to root of 18. So the two will cancel this. So x is equal to plus or minus root of 18. Okay, so now you can say that x is equal to plus or minus root of, so 9 multiplied by 2, the same as our 18. Okay, so you can say that x is equal to plus or minus 3 root of 2. Okay, so in this case, we get x1 is equal to 3 root 2, then our x2 is equal to negative 3 root 2. Okay, now let's check which of these satisfy the equation. So now let's do it for x1, which is equal to 3 root of 2. Okay, so with this, we are having 3 root of 2 multiplied by 3 root of 2 multiplied by 3 root of 2 on, then we have 3 root of 2 plus 3 root of 2 plus 3 root of 2 is equal to 6. Now, we can say that 3 root 2 multiplied by itself 3 times is going to be 3 root of 2 all cubed. Okay, on now 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. Okay, root 2, which is equal to 6. So with this, we can say that this, it should be 3 power 3 multiplied by root 2 power 3, okay, on 9 root of 2, which is equal to 6. So let's continue from here. We are having 3 exponent 3 multiplied by root 2 exponent 3 on 9 root 2, which is equal to 6. Okay, so we are trying to check whether it is correct. So whatever that is here, is it equal to 6? So there's a question we are asking. So now 3 exponent 3 is 27. Then root of 2 exponent 3 on 9 root 2. So this should be equal to 6. Okay, so now you can see that 9 goes into itself 1 and it goes into 27 3 times. Okay, so now we can say that 3 root 2 exponent 3 on root 2 is equal to 6. Is equal to 6. Okay, so now you can say that this, it is 3 into brackets root 2 exponent 3 divided by root 2 exponent 1, which is should be equal to 6. Okay, so now we can rewrite this as 3 into bracket root 2 exponent 3 minus 1 indices, and it should be equal to 6. Okay, now we have 3 into bracket root 2, 3 minus 1 is 2, so exponent 2 is equal to 6. Okay, so now we have 3 into bracket, these 2 will cancel the root here, leaving the 2, which is okay. So now 3 times 2 is 6, and it's equal to this 6. So it means that for x1, which is equal to 3 root 2, is true. Okay, it's true for the expression. Now let's check the other one too. For x2, we say that x is equal to negative 3 root 2. Okay, so with this, we are going to get negative 3 root 2 multiplied by negative 3 root 2 by another negative 3 root 2 on negative 3 root 2 plus negative 3 root 2 plus negative 3 root 2 should be equal to 6. When you simplify this, you are going to get, so it will be negative 3 root 2 into bracket exponent 3, okay, on this one it will be negative 9 root 2, and is equal to 6. Now we can say that negative 3 exponent 3 multiplying by root 2 exponent 3 on negative 9 root 2, it should be equal to 6. Okay, so now this one will give us negative 27 into bracket root of 2 exponent 3 on negative 9 root 2. So negative will cancel negative. 9 goes into 7, goes into 27 3 times. So we are going to get 3 into bracket root 2 exponent 3 on root 2, which is to be equal to 6. And we know that this one, we write it as 3 into bracket root 2 exponent 2 should be equal to 6. Now we can say that this, after this, we are getting 3 into bracket 2. 3 times 2, we have 6, which is equal to 6. Okay, so the x2 also moves. Okay, so we say that therefore x is equal to 3 root 2 or negative 3 root 2. Okay, so these are the solution for the system. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.